In the last Chinese New Year Gala, we saw a bunch of robots coordinated doing awesome movements. We're kind of used to see robots doing awesome movements by themselves, but so many robots doing the same movement at the same time? Never! This year, the engineers from Unitree had a deeper challenge and decided to attack the problem of multiple robots moving at the same time in a coordinated manner. For that purpose, they created a robot control system named Cluster Cooperative Rapid Scheduling System. This robot cluster system is designed to synchronize the movements of a large number of humanoids. In a similar way as the festivals of drones in China deliver an awesome spectacle of thousands of drones coordinating, doing figures in the air, this year, Unitree's robot cluster system allowed to coordinate humanoid robots while doing aerial kicks, spins, and all these kind of martial arts movements. This robot cluster system is so impressive that it even allows to organize different actions for each robot according to a global plan. Each robot uses a 3D LiDAR, which is located in their head, and that allows it to know its precise position relative to the other robots, even during the violent movements. The question is now, what is the next step in the development of humanoid robots? Definitely, we are going to hear a lot about Unitree's robots this year. And if you want to learn how to do all those things with your humanoid robot, enroll our Humanoids Reinforcement Learning Training. In this training, we are going to teach you how to apply AI to humanoid robots. And you will also be able to do all those features. See you there!